sensitivity, being able to touch and hug and do all of that great stuff without him screaming or being frightened or anything like that has been a huge advantage to this too. Jaden went to work, and he was 4 days on his new job, and unfortunately he had a workplace injury and then came back down at Jaden and electrocuted Jaden, for which he went into cardiac arrest and then suffered an anoxic brain injury. Scalp acupuncture, he's received massage therapy, he has worked with a chiropractor here, he's done physiotherapy here, as well as we saw a naturopathic doctor that helped us with his diet and some of the supplements that we were currently using, figuring out kind of where we could go with those supplements. And we also saw Joy for herbs to balance out and help with gut health, because gut health is one of the most important functions of the body. So we felt that that really helped with Jaden's recovery as well. So one of the biggest things that we saw is around the circulation. That was a huge thing for us because Jaden isn't mobile and he's total care. The circulation was really, really bad in Jaden. So he had like cold feet, cold hands, a lot of swelling, inflammation in his body. And with doing moxa and the acupuncture and getting him on the proper diet, those sorts of things, that has really subsided with Jaden, and his circulation is like night and day, which is incredible. We're seeing his sensitivity go down. So even when you touch his arms or his hands, or any of our family members touch him, he's not a direct response of fight or flight. He lets you touch him. Those sorts of things are the biggest things that we've seen. We learned a lot here about Jaden had a operation when we went to rehabilitation in Texas. He had both tendon lengthening surgery done on his wrists and his ankles, and we didn't realize how much the scarring impacted the ability for movement within the body. So just working on that scar therapy and stuff. Also, the other good thing that we have learned here is the good ball therapy to release the fascia and the tension in Jaden's body. So that has been another really good thing for Jaden, is to learn the good ball therapy, how it relates to the body and specifically the tight parts of Jaden's body. We're seeing that he is relaxing a lot more and able to have more not necessarily functional movement at this point, but a lot more movement in his body in general.